Welcome guys. On this video we'll be working on Revolve Boss base, normal sketch and a Revolve Boss base. So let's start with the front plane. First, let's select a center line which also serves as a construction line in our sketch. Let's reverse it. Let's reduce the parameter. Let's make it of 2. Let's close the contour. Close here and close this other part. So we are done with our sketch and we have this. Let's go to features. Click on Revolve Boss base. On your axis of revolution, select on this construction line. Now let's click on selected contour. We click on this contour. Our contour is open, so let's close it up. Let's go back. Ctrl 8 up to normal.
No answer. Just finish.
So let's go back. Revolve Boss base. So we have this. Let me make some adjustments. Let me edit. Let me reduce here. I want an opening on this part, so let me trim out here. I'll go edit the sketch. Yes. Let me edit the revolve. There. Selected contours. Click here. So we have this. So this is it. Ctrl 7 to put it in a symmetric view. We have different views. For different views, Ctrl 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we are done for this. Thank you for watching. See you on the next tutorial.